So the only
And
thing is if you have the correct zeal and passion for the forces, just give it your all. It requires only once or twice when you give it all of your efforts for this, and you'll go through for the success in this examination. It's just a personality development process where your personality is tested a lot. So I feel everyone will get through. You just have to realize his potential, his or her potential, and they'll crack the exam for sure.
okay, so Jai Hind everyone. Today we have very special alumni of SSB Wings, and as you can see, the name Snehal Rajvansh. Okay, so come in, Snehal. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
अच्छा, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. आज की डेट में जहाँ पे बच्चे अपनी मेरिट आउट होते हैं, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का ये कंसर्न आता है कि सर हमारे मेरिट आउट हो गए, हम रिकमेंडेशन हो गए, हम मेडिकली फिट हो गए हैं, सब चीज ओके हो गई थी, बट अल्टीमेटली दे कुडंट मेक इट टू द मेरिट. वहां पे स्नेल हैज मेड इट टू द मेरिट ऑफ ट्राई सर्विसेज. ही हैज गॉट ऑल इंडिया रैंक 12 इन इंडियन एयरफोर्स, AIR 7 in Indian Naval Academy, and AIR 37 in Indian Military Academy. So congratulations, Snail.
Thank you.
And let's hear from Snail. We'll having small interaction. First, let's see how his journey was. ठीक है, Snail?
Yes.
You can start by telling how SSB Wings help you in your preparation. What was the support both the mentors have provided you?
Sir, SSB Wings has been a very important podium on my journey to success. So I started the interaction with SSB Wings when it was my second attempt, I guess.
Mhm.
And the guidance I got through, I was not doing well at that moment of time. I got twice conferenced out.
Mhm.
And the guidance which even Rajiv sir gave me, Victor sir gave me in all the three segments of the SSB process. Sir, I after all things happened, I realized that yes, those were some things which have enhanced my skills and got me to a position where I could receive ranks in every aspect of forces, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, SSB Wings has played a very important role in all this, in even making me realize what I have in myself. I was not even determined to give some attempts. As I was I felt that I have lost my chances and I was not going good with the work I am doing. But they also gave me confidence. The mentors gave me confidence, enough confidence, so that I can achieve the rank I have now.
Okay, as he told he has given 5 conferences, and out of 5 conferences he was 4 times conference out, and he made it in the last attempt of this very particular. And let me tell you, he is fit for the flying as well. So this is the merit in of the flying, he has made it. Okay, so congratulations again, Snail, for that thing. And apart from this, how did you make it these many attempts? Like, एक बार नहीं, 2 बार नहीं, 3 बार नहीं, कभी तो ये आया होगा कि सर छोड़ देता हूँ, अब नहीं, बट लगे रहना, उसी मेहनत से करना, शिद्दत से लगे रहना, एंड इवेंचुअली मेकिंग. व्हाट वाज द थॉट और द माइंड? क्या सोच रहा था उस टाइम पे कि क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है?
Sir, firstly, it was a sheer passion of joining the forces. Sir, in the meanwhile, when I was landing nowhere, being conference out thrice, or even for the fourth time, and I was in no man's land, so I contacted Rajiv sir too in between those. Sir, he also made me realize that you do not want to be someone who is at his 50s and said and feels that he should given it one more chance or given one more attempt. It might be possible it had been his chance. So I wanted to give it all for flying, and it was my last attempt. So I do not want it to have any regrets for the further life. So, and sir, I gave it the full shot. So everything what I learned throughout the process, I inculcated in myself. I realized where I was going wrong. I applied all on this attempt, and yes, sir, in this attempt I got conferenced in, and I'm medically fit too, sir.
Yeah, I remember he telling me that कि तू इस अटेम्प्ट के लिए जा भी नहीं रहा था, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Because your CAPF exam was lined up.
Yes, sir.
And eventually you got the date change and you went for the SSB.
Yes.
And you make it to the merit finally. So congratulations again. And I guess you have given IB exam as well.
Yes, sir.
So apart from SSB, not only the SSB Wings alumni are doing great in other field as well. He has given UPSC CAPF exam. He has given the IB exams as well, and most probably he will make it to that as well. So best of luck for that.
Thank you.
Eventually, अब तो तू अकेडमी जाने ही वाला है because it was your first dream as you told and we also know.
Yes, sir.
So any last word you want to say to the other aspirants who are listening to you right now, Snail?
So the
Any-
only thing is if you have the correct zeal and passion for the forces, just give it your all. It requires only once or twice when you give it all of your efforts for this, and you'll go through for the success in this examination. It's just a personality development process where your personality is tested a lot. So I feel everyone will get through. You just have to realize his potential, his or her potential, and they'll crack the exam for sure.
Okay, thank you so much, Snail.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your small interaction. Hope this interaction will help lot of the aspirants like you. Okay, thank you.